My name is Tonya Hall, and I've been working in the education field for at least 25-ish years or more in different capacities. I've worked with preschool to high school to 12th grade. And I've seen this different aspects from public school to city and county private, and working with the FLARES, having this program implemented, it's totally different. When we have workshops with other schools, it's just they give us the information and there's a paper, and then we do a follow up. It's like, okay, here you go. With this one, I like the fact that with FLARES, I like that we get to work together. We get to put it into force the next day, and then we have homework. We don't get homework. I haven't received homework from other experiences. So it lets me see progress. And then I bring back my reports from my students, what we've done. So it's very interesting, and I totally enjoy it. I totally enjoyed it. So this was a great experience. This is one of the best experiences. So yeah, yeah. Great. I love it, and I love it for our students, for our culture. It is so needed for us because you learn other cultures, you learn other ways of doing this. And it's like, to me, the difference is you're told in workshops, this is how you do it, like a flat rate. Like, this is how it's done. This is how you all should be. And that's what I like about the values is you get to see how you are as opposed to, well, this is how you should be. Well, you get to learn what you are, how you are, and then use what you have. You get to use you. I'm using my purpose, not, well, this is how you need to do it this way. Everyone is not the same. We're not all on the same level. We don't have the same values or beliefs, but we do have one common goal. So it's how do I implement my way to make it effective for my people? And I love that I'm able to implement that. I love that it's accepted because that's what I do anyway. So yeah. I wanted to join this program because it's about us finally. You know, we always going around along with everything else and everyone else, but we have something for us and it actually works. You know, you try to input your twist when you're somewhere else in another district that's not for us and it does not work. It's not accepted. And for me to be in a place where it is accepted, it's gonna work. We're gonna excel. So I love the fact that we're doing something for us. It's needed, it's long time, and we're gonna keep moving forward. There's no other way. We're gonna keep moving forward, and it's important that everyone else gets on board, even though they're not. Wherever our children are, it needs to be implemented. I don't care what kind of district, what kind of school, whatever. Wherever our children are, they need it. They need to receive it, and they will see a total difference in it. I don't know what else to tell you. It's for us. It's about us. It's us, and it's about time.